In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a saved reply in Help Scout. If you find yourself answering the same questions over and over, a saved reply can save time, keep your tone consistent, and reduce typos. Let's walk through the process and make sure you leave with a polished reply ready to use. First, open any conversation in Help Scout. It doesn't matter which one, you're just using it as a workspace. Once you're in the reply editor, type the message you want to save. This can be a full response or even a draft you plan to refine. Aim for clear, reusable language. Keep details that change from customer to customer, like names or order numbers, generic for now so you can personalize them later. When your text looks good, open the shortcut menu. You can do that by typing a / right in the editor, or by clicking the Insert option, which appears as a plus icon. This menu collects handy tools that speed up your workflow. From the menu, choose Saved Reply, then select Save this reply. This tells Help Scout you want to store the content you've written so you can quickly insert it in future conversations. Next, give your saved reply a name. Pick something you'll remember and that you or your teammates can find easily. A clear naming system really helps. For example, start with a category or purpose, then a brief description, like returns, policy overview, or onboarding. Welcome message. The goal is to make it obvious at a glance which reply does what. After you've named it, click Save Reply. That's it. The reply is now stored and ready to use. From now on, whenever you're in the reply editor, you can open the same shortcut menu, look under Saved Reply, and insert this message in a couple of clicks. It will appear exactly as you saved it, so you can quickly add any personal touches that are specific to the customer before sending. A few tips to keep your saved replies effective. Write in your usual brand voice, so it sounds natural every time. Keep paragraphs short for readability, and avoid hard-coding time-sensitive details so you don't have to update it constantly. If your team shares replies, agree on a simple naming convention so everyone can find the right message fast, and that's how to create a saved reply in Help Scout. Quick, easy, and a big boost to your efficiency.